Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. So, in the previous video session, we have discussed about the features of business environment. So, in today's video session, we will discuss about the importance of business environment. That what is the significance if we will analyze or scan the business environment. So when we scan the business environment, we come to know about the various opportunities of the business. So what opportunities we are getting, we can get first mover advantage of it. So first importance of business environment, that when we analyze the business environment, we come to know about the opportunities available to our business. So by grabbing that particular opportunity, we will get the first mover advantage. यानी कि कोई एडवांटेज हमारा कॉम्पिटिटर ले जाए तो उससे पहले अपा उसका एडवांटेज लेने की कोशिश करते हैं, अगर अपा ने अपने बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट को अच्छे से एनालाइज करा है. सो एनवायरनमेंट प्रोवाइड्स न्यूमरस अपॉर्चुनिटीज, चेंजेस दैट विल हेल्प अ फर्म. सो अर्ली आइडेंटिफिकेशन, अगर अपा उनको टाइम पे एनालाइज कर लेते हैं, सो वी कैन गेट द फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर opportunities. Second importance of business environment is warning signals. So when we analyze our business environment, or when we do the environmental scanning, we also come to know about the various threats. We also come to know about the various threats from which where business is having loss. So besides opportunities, environment happens to be the source of threats. तो किसी चीज़ों से हमें खतरा भी हो सकता है. तो environmental awareness can help the managers to identify those various threats, and we will earlier become, we can say that, aware. So we can serve as a warning signals. The threats which we are analyzing, the threats which we are analyzing, it serves as a warning signal कि पहले ही आप अलर्ट हो जाओ. अगर आपने इस चीज़ को नहीं समझा तो it can be a threat to your organization. Then third one comes, that is tapping useful resources. Environment is a source of various resources for an enterprises. So from business environment we are getting numerous resources. Whether it is a physical resources or whether it is a human resources. So with the help of, we can say that, business environment, we can easily tap our resources, we can easily utilize our resources, as the enterprises depends on the environment as a source of inputs and for outputs, as an outlet and market. Therefore, a study of business environment helps of tapping resources, both inputs and outputs. So with the help of business environment, we can easily use our finance, machines, raw materials, power, water, labor, through which we can easily sell our goods and services. So business environment teaches us that how we have to utilize the resources, how we have to make the best use of resources which are being available to the business from the business environment. Next one comes coping with rapid changes. As in features, we have earlier studied that business environment is ever changing, or business environment is dynamic in nature. So with the help of business environment, we can easily cope up with the rapid changes which are taking place in the business environment. All sizes and all types of enterprises are facing increasing dynamic environment, because चाहे वो बिजनेस बड़ा है चाहे वो बिजनेस छोटा है, बिजनेस में क्या है, बहुत सारी चेंजेस आती ही हैं. So in order to effectively cope up with changes, manager must understand and examine the environment, कि कौन कौन सी चेंजेस हमारे बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट में आ रही है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट वी कैन एग्जैक्टली नो अबाउट व्हाट दोज चेंजेस आर इन द बिजनेस. डेवलप सूटेबल कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन. फिर उस चेंजेस को हमने कैसे अडॉप्ट करना है, तो उसके लिए हम एक सूटेबल कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन, एक ब्लूप्रिंट तैयार करते हैं. Assisting in planning and policy formulation. So with the help of business environment, business environment helps us in helping, or we can say helping in planning और पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेशन. अगर अपन को अपने बिजनेस के लिए कुछ प्लानिंग करनी है, कुछ पॉलिसीज फॉर्मुलेट करनी है, तो बिजनेस एनवायरनमेंट अपन को क्या करता है, उसके लिए हेल्प प्रोवाइड करता है. बिकॉज व्हेन वी डू द एनवायरमेंटल स्कैनिंग, we come to know about the opportunities, we come to know about the threats. So its understanding and analysis is must. So with the help of this, we can develop the future plans, or it develops the guidelines that how we have to make a particular policy. Improvement in performance. So by analyzing the business environment, we come to know about our weaknesses, we come to know about the threats, so that when we come to know about the threats, when we come to know about the weaknesses, we try to change ourselves. We try to change ourselves so that in future we can improve our performance, whether it is a materialistic performance or whether it is a humanistic performance. $1 million question is whether the understanding of business environment makes any difference in the performance of an enterprises. The answer is yes. The future of an enterprise is closely related with what is happening in the environment. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि आपके बिजनेस के इर्द गिर्द हो क्या रहा है, तो you can't be successful in your business. So it is very important to understand that what is happening around us. So basically the components of business environment are of two types: internal environment and external environment. Internal environment are those components which are affecting inside our organization, like the objectives of our company, policies of our company, organizational structure of our company, management information system, production method, production capacity. यानी कि जिनको अपन अपने we can say limits में हैं, जिनको अपन control कर सकते हैं. External environment are those environment components which are affecting from outside the organization. Some of them are micro, which are affecting at a very small level, and some are at macro level, which are at the economy level. अगर हम micro environment की बात करें तो it includes customers, suppliers, competitors, public, market, intermediaries. And if we talk about the macro environment, it includes economic environment, political environment, social environment, legal environment, technological environment, etc. So internal environment, factors which are present within the business itself and are under the direct control of business. And external environment are those factors which are closely related to the business and influence each enterprises differently. तो ये कुछ इसके dimensions हैं. And now please watch this video very carefully, and if you have any query, please note it down and I will sort out your queries in the Google Meet session. Thanks and have a nice day.